Good morning, students. Welcome back to your science online classes. In the previous class, we have studied about air and atmosphere. Now we will talk about the composition of air, or we can say what is air made up of. Basically, air is a mixture of different gases. In 1789, Lavoisier showed that air mainly consists of oxygen and nitrogen. Nitrogen and oxygen are present in the ratio of 4.1 approximately by the volume. Air also contains a small quantity of carbon dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. Now see this picture. This is a chart of air composition which shows that there is 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 0.04% carbon dioxide. Less than 1% is argon and less than 1% are of other gases. So now let's talk about these gases one by one. Very first, nitrogen, which is the largest component of air. एंड ये प्लांट्स की ग्रोथ के लिए नेसेसरी है बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन से ही प्लांट्स को प्रोटीन मिलती है डायरेक्टली सॉइल के थ्रू. नेक्स्ट इज ऑक्सीजन. ये एयर की सेकंड लार्जेस्ट कंपोनेंट है. ये किसी भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जैसे कि प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स या ह्यूमन के रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस में यूज़ होती है. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एटमॉस्फेयर से ऑक्सीजन को इनहेल करते हैं तथा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एक्सहेल करते हैं. नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, ऑक्सीजन ऑल्सो सपोर्ट बर्निंग. So let's perform an activity to show that oxygen is necessary for burning. Suppose we have a burning candle, something like this. Now, if we cover this candle with a glass, then what will happen? Then this candle will slowly extinguish, something like this. So this activity proves that oxygen is necessary for burning. Next, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, जो एयर में बहुत स्मॉल अमाउंट में होती है और ये तब प्रोड्यूस होती है जब प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स एटमॉस्फेयर से ऑक्सीजन को इनहेल करते हैं तथा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एक्सहेल करते हैं. ये प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट, वाटर वेपर. स्टूडेंट्स, वाटर वेपर्स आर प्रेजेंट all the time in the atmosphere, and this amount is called humidity, and this water vapor comes in the atmosphere mainly by the process of evaporation. Last component is dust or smoke particle. Students, look at these pictures. Air also contains fine dust or smoke particles, and this type of dust particles we usually see in the industrial areas and around the desert areas at higher amount. Otherwise, these are at lower amount in the atmosphere. So this was all about the composition of air.